Hi friends, welcome back to this channel, and today's video I will be showing you how you can add background music or background instrumental into your Audacity audio file. That is, probably you have done with your editing and then you want to add background music. Well, this video is going to walk you through. If you love this content, consider to subscribe to this channel. Well, if you want to really add background music, you must make sure that you have the copyright, that is, you have the freedom of using that particular audio. Well, there are some free audio or music library that are free, and then let me quickly read some out from you. YouTube library is actually there, and then there are some, just check out the screen. You could see that there are a lot of audio music library that you can actually use without any copyright. They are free, and then they are not going to actually fight you for that. Okay, once you have identified the audio, the background instrument that you want to use, and just launch your Audacity software like I have launched it. Then you have to, there are two ways. Well, you come to file, and then once you come to file, you will see something like import. Well, that import is the shortcut is Control I, and then you can see import, and then you see import audio. And then once you click on import audio, you can actually look for the sound, the background music. Probably you have downloaded it. Well, I don't actually use that because it actually wastes a lot of my time. What I just have to do is to come to my system here as if I'm actually operating, and then the kind of background music you really want to use, just I've identified this, and then you just actually drag it down to this platform. And then once you drag it down, it's going to create another new track, and then what you just have to do is for you to actually do the cutting and then do the editing. So that is what I actually have for you today. So now you can see that the track is actually longer than the audio that I recorded. So I'm going to show you how you actually do the cutting. And then what you just have to do is, number one, if you want to cut where you just align this place like this, and then align it to the right, and then you hit on delete, and then you can see that has been deleted. So click on your zoom tool, and if you don't know how to use zoom tool, you can actually visit this channel and check the Audacity playlist to see how to use all the zoom tool. Now you can see that it has already rhymed with it, and then I have some little seconds outside as the outro. And then what you have to do now is let's actually play. Hello friend, welcome back to this channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you how now you could see that the audio, the background music is actually competing with the audio. So I just have to lower it. I have to lower the audio. So if you want to do that, just highlight, and then the simplest way is to highlight and then come to effect, and you come to amplify, and then once you come to amplify, then reduce it to like -12.8. Put it to -12.8, and then you click on OK. So once you click on OK, and then let's play again. Hello friend, welcome back to this channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you how you can record your computer screen free. If you don't have OBS installed on your system, check the description. Now, can you see that it really makes sense? You can actually choose your background music, that the one you like, but I love this is a Flight to Tunisia, and then I got this from YouTube library. You can also download this from YouTube library. In the next video, I will be showing you how you can actually export this project into an MP3. Are you ready? So see you in the next video.